A new treatment option for diabetes has been introduced in India. Danish pharmaceutical company Novo Nordisk has launched Avicli, a once-a-week basal insulin injection for adults with diabetes, making India the seventh country to roll out the therapy. Unlike conventional insulin, which usually requires a daily injection, Avicli is designed to be taken just once every week. The company said this could reduce the number of insulin injections from 365 a year to just 52, making treatment more convenient for patients with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Novo Nordisk's India Managing Director, Vikrant Shrotriya, said many patients hesitate to start insulin therapy because of the need for daily injections. He said the weekly dose is expected to reduce the psychological barrier while also helping patients achieve better diabetes control. The injection has been launched in 700 unit and 2100 unit pen formats with a per unit price of 3.73 rupees. It will be available across the country through the company's network of 4,500 distributors. The launch comes at a time when India has over 101 million people living with diabetes, one of the highest diabetes burdens in the world. Novo Nordisk said the new therapy is aimed at making insulin treatment simpler and more accessible. The company had earlier introduced its diabetes drug Ozempic in India in December last year.